got? Huh? What you got? You like the train? You just like parts of the train. Train. Choo-choo. Huh? That baby. Look, what you got? You gonna get that to me? Part of the train. Lots of pieces. Just oh, thank you. Another piece of the train. Thank you so much. That's a good boy. Share. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you. What is that? What is it, Gary? Yay! You just gonna take that piece here? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, get here. Thank you. You're such a sweet boy. He's a sweet boy. Time to play, huh? Yeah.
Hear it. Look up, baby. Look at your stocking. You got a stocking too.
That baby's first Christmas. His first one. Garrett's first Christmas. Look, Garrett. Look. Boom. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Uh-oh, it's going to fold up on you. What you did in there? Got a hole to come out. Garrett. Hey. Yay!
Get your stocking.